Hey guys, I've got some exciting updates for you all. The next arc of Dragon Ball Super is going to be huge. The plotline was recently revealed and surprisingly, it's going to be the multi-universal tournament. It's going to be all fun and chill, except the losing teams are going to face dire consequences. From the way it has been worded, it seems like they are going to destroy the universe that loses or something like that. The arc's name itself is scary, which is the Universal Survival Arc. It is intense if you think about it. These fighters will have to fight for their own lives. We also got an arc cover or poster like picture featuring two Omni Kings and the mysterious Grand Priest. Also, we have what looks like the fighting squad of U7 for the tournament. Along with the obvious fighters, we have Gohan, who looks sharp AF like his mystic form, and astonishingly, even Android 17. It is great to see Roshi, Tien and Krillin. You guys know how much I love those human Z fighters, and I'm absolutely satisfied to know that they are back. Anyways, currently we have the episode titles of 72 to 74 that shall give you an overall idea of what's going to happen in the coming arcs of DBS. Dragon Ball Super Episode 72, Can You Counterattack? An Invisible Assassination Technique, 25th December. Christmas gift from Toei, huh? This episode will basically have the real Goku vs Hit face-off. Hit will only hit Goku with his invisible shockwave at the end of 71. Goku will kind of die and then come back to life due to his perfectly timed ki blast that gives him a shock. It will be interesting to see how Goku counters the assassin after figuring out his strategies to some extent. Anyways, we now know that Vados are at hit to kill Goku, acting as a representative of the actual clan. That information might be disclosed and explained in this episode, so it's a must watch as it will have a lot of plot value. 1st January, no episode. New Year's break. Well, it'd be great to start the year with a new DB episode, but whatever. Dragon Ball Super Episode 73, Gohan gets made into a movie, 8th January. The title suggests it's going to be a fun episode, a Gohan dedicated episode further setting up his return as a fighter. Dragon Ball Super Episode 74, For the Sake of Who He Loves, 15th January. I'm not sure who they are referring. Could it be Gohan again? Maybe Gohan getting triggered to unfuck himself for the sake of who he loves? Let's see. Whatever, from the episode titles and arc reveals, we now know the next arc isn't going to be entirely centered around Hit vs Goku, but still, that might be a significant part of the plot as Hit was hired by an angel, Vados. Angels generally can't do such acts, and it is mentioned that Vados merely acted as a representative. So I wonder if the true client is someone above them in the god hierarchy which bounded her to follow orders. Maybe her father, the Grand Priest? Maybe her father, the Grand Priest? What we know now is that Goku could potentially piss off anyone from the 12 universes. Because of his links with Omni Kings for combining two Omnis, maybe someone thinks Goku is responsible for the Universal Survival Tournament, endangering the existence of many universes out there. That's all for now. Like our Facebook page, Dragon Ball Fanverse. If you don't want to miss any DB updates, I request you to hit the bell beside the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Comment your opinion and theories down below. See you in the next Dragon Ball video.